Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of removing third parties from various transactions is gaining significant traction. Whether in business, finance, or even personal interactions, eliminating intermediaries can lead to more efficient and transparent processes. This topic is crucial as it addresses the growing need for direct engagement between parties, which can ultimately enhance trust and reduce costs. By removing the middlemen, individuals and organizations can streamline their operations, making transactions faster and more straightforward. Viewers will learn how this shift can simplify processes, reduce delays, and minimize the potential for miscommunication. For instance, in the realm of e-commerce, direct transactions between buyers and sellers can lead to better pricing and improved customer satisfaction. Moreover, engaging directly with customers allows businesses to gather valuable feedback and insights, fostering a more responsive and adaptive approach to service and product offerings. This direct interaction not only enhances the customer experience but also empowers consumers by giving them more control over their choices. In this video, we will explore various contexts where removing third parties can be beneficial, from real estate deals to freelance work and even in the realm of digital currencies. By the end, viewers will understand the significant advantages of direct interactions, including cost savings, increased efficiency, and stronger relationships. Join us as we delve into the transformative power of eliminating intermediaries and how it can reshape the way we conduct transactions in our everyday lives. In the context of transactions, a third party refers to an individual or entity that is not directly involved in the primary agreement or exchange between two parties. This intermediary plays a crucial role in facilitating transactions, providing services, or ensuring compliance. The concept of a third party can vary across different scenarios, from financial dealings to personal agreements, and understanding this role is essential for grasping the dynamics of various interactions. In business, common examples of third parties include brokers, agents, and payment processors. For instance, in real estate transactions, a real estate agent acts as a third party, helping buyers and sellers navigate the complexities of the market. Similarly, in e-commerce, payment processors like PayPal or Stripe serve as intermediaries, ensuring secure transactions between customers and merchants. While these third parties can provide valuable services, their involvement can also introduce complexities. One of the potential drawbacks of involving intermediaries is the added cost. Third parties often charge fees for their services, which can increase the overall expense of a transaction. Additionally, relying on intermediaries can lead to delays, as each party must communicate through the third party, potentially slowing down the process. There is also the risk of miscommunication or errors, which can complicate transactions further. In this section, we will delve deeper into the role of third parties in various contexts, examining both their benefits and drawbacks. By understanding these dynamics, viewers can make more informed decisions about when to engage intermediaries and when to seek direct interactions. Recognizing when to eliminate the third party from transactions can significantly enhance efficiency and satisfaction. There are several scenarios where direct communication proves advantageous. For instance, when negotiating contracts, engaging directly with the other party can lead to clearer terms and a better understanding of each other's needs. Similarly, in customer service situations, direct communication allows for quicker resolutions and personalized support, fostering stronger relationships. Certain industries thrive without intermediaries, showcasing the benefits of direct interactions. The freelance economy is a prime example, where platforms like Upwork and Fiverr enable freelancers to connect directly with clients, streamlining the hiring process and reducing costs. In the realm of real estate, some sellers choose to list their properties independently, utilizing online platforms to reach buyers directly, thus avoiding agent commissions. Additionally, the rise of blockchain technology in finance allows for peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for banks or payment processors. Encouraging viewers to assess their own situations is crucial. Consider whether a third party is truly necessary in your transactions. Are there opportunities to communicate directly with clients, suppliers, or partners? Reflect on past experiences where intermediaries may have caused delays or misunderstandings. By evaluating these scenarios, viewers can identify potential areas for improvement and take steps to streamline their processes. In this section, we will explore these scenarios and industries in more detail, empowering viewers to make informed decisions about when to remove the third party and embrace direct interactions for greater efficiency and satisfaction. Eliminating the third party from transactions can be a transformative process, and following a structured approach can make it easier. The first step is to initiate direct communication with the other party involved. This can be done by reaching out via email, phone, or even social media, depending on the context. Establishing a direct line of communication helps build rapport and sets the stage for a more transparent interaction. Next, consider utilizing tools and platforms that facilitate direct transactions. For example, if you're in the freelance sector, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow for direct client-freelancer interactions without intermediaries. In e-commerce, using direct payment solutions like Stripe or Square can streamline transactions between buyers and sellers. Additionally, project management tools like Trello or Asana can help keep communication organized and efficient, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once direct communication is established, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of clear agreements and terms. Drafting a straightforward contract or agreement that outlines the expectations, deliverables, and payment terms can prevent misunderstandings down the line. Make sure both parties review and agree to these terms before proceeding with the transaction. This not only protects both parties, but also fosters trust and accountability. In this section, we will delve deeper into each of these steps, providing practical tips and examples to help viewers successfully remove the third party from their transactions. By following this step-by-step process, individuals and businesses enjoy the benefits of direct interactions, leading to more efficient and satisfying outcomes. Removing the third party from transactions offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly enhance both personal and business interactions. One of the most compelling benefits is cost savings. By eliminating intermediaries, individuals and organizations can avoid additional fees and commissions that often accompany third-party services. This reduction in cost can lead to more competitive pricing for consumers and higher profit margins for businesses. Additionally, direct transactions tend to be more efficient as they eliminate the delays associated with communication through intermediaries, allowing for quicker decision-making and faster execution. Direct interactions also play a crucial role in enhancing relationships. When parties communicate directly, they can build trust and rapport more effectively. This open line of communication fosters a sense of collaboration and understanding, which can lead to long-term partnerships. For example, businesses that engage directly with their customers often receive valuable feedback that can inform product development and service improvements, ultimately leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. To illustrate the benefits of removing the third party, consider the case of a small business that transitioned from using a distributor to selling directly to consumers through an online platform. By doing so, they not only reduced costs but also gained insights into customer preferences, allowing them to tailor their offerings more effectively. Testimonials from satisfied clients often highlight how direct interactions have led to better service, quicker resolutions, and a more personalized experience. In this section, we will explore these advantages in greater detail, showcasing how removing the third party can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and relationship building. While removing the third party from transactions can offer numerous benefits, it also presents certain challenges that individuals and businesses may face. One common fear is the concern about trust and security. Many people worry that without an intermediary, they may be exposed to scams or unreliable partners. This fear can be particularly pronounced in online transactions, where anonymity can make it difficult to gauge the credibility of the other party. To overcome these challenges, it's essential to implement strategies that build trust. Conducting thorough research on potential partners, checking reviews, and utilizing secure payment methods can help mitigate risks. Establishing clear communication from the outset can also foster transparency, allowing both parties to feel more comfortable engaging directly. Another challenge is the potential for miscommunication. Without a third party to facilitate discussions, there may be misunderstandings regarding expectations, deliverables, or timelines. To address this, it's crucial to prioritize clear agreements and maintain open lines of communication throughout the transaction process. Regular check-ins and updates can help ensure that both parties are aligned and any issues are addressed promptly. Encouraging a mindset shift towards direct engagement is vital for overcoming these challenges. Emphasizing the benefits of direct interactions, such as cost savings and improved relationships, can help individuals and businesses embrace this approach. By viewing direct dealings as opportunities for growth and collaboration rather than risks, they can foster a more proactive attitude. In this section, we will delve deeper into these common challenges and provide practical solutions to help viewers navigate the transition to direct transactions with confidence and ease. In this video, we explore the significant advantages of removing the third party from transactions and how this shift can lead to greater efficiency and satisfaction. We discuss the importance of direct interactions, highlighting how eliminating intermediaries can result in cost savings, faster processes, and stronger relationships. By engaging directly with clients, customers, or partners, individuals and businesses can foster trust and collaboration, ultimately enhancing their overall experience. We also outline practical steps to initiate this transition, from establishing direct communication to utilizing tools that facilitate seamless transactions. By emphasizing clear agreements and maintaining open lines of communication, viewers can navigate the potential challenges of direct dealings with confidence. Remember, the key to success lies in assessing your own situations and recognizing when removing the third party can be beneficial. As you consider implementing these strategies, we encourage you to take action and apply the steps discussed in this video. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or simply looking to streamline personal transactions, embracing direct engagement can lead to transformative results. If you found this video insightful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may benefit from learning about the advantages of removing intermediaries. Together, we can foster a community that values efficiency, transparency, and direct communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.